Welcome to my new video. Death of a star. Life cycle of a star. Stellar nebula. Average star, and massive star. Red giant, and red supergiant. Planetary nebula, and supernova. White dwarf, neutron star, and black hole. Red giant star. Stars begin to die when they run out of gas to make energy. The middle of the star begins to shrink, but the outer parts expand, making the star much larger. Red giant stars are dying stars that have swollen to hundreds of times their normal size. The expanding outer layers get cooler, making them look red. When the sun is a red giant, it will be large enough to swallow up the nearest planets, Mercury and Venus, and, perhaps Earth. At the end of their lives, stars swell up into red giant stars, as shown in this, for infrared image, or even larger, red supergiants. Planetary nebula. Eventually, a red giant's outer layers drift away, making a halo of gas round the star. The strait makes this gas glow, and we call it a planetary nebula. All that is left is a small hot star, called a white dwarf, which cannot make energy and gradually cools and dies. This bow-tie-shaped nebula is made by material cast off by a dying star as it enters its white dwarf phase. White dwarf stars. These ancient white dwarf stars are in our Milky Way galaxy and are between 12 and 13 billion years old. Very heavy stars end their lives in a huge explosion called a supernova. This explosion blows away all the outer parts of the star. All that is left is a tiny hot star in the middle of a shell of hot glowing gas. Cassiopeia A. Cassiopeia A is one of the best studied supernova remnants. The remains of the star fallen on itself. Fun fact. One of the main signs of a black hole is radiation from very hot gases near one just before they are sucked in. Black holes. After a supernova explosion, the largest stars may end up as black holes. As it shrinks, its gravity gets stronger. Eventually, the pull of its gravity can get so strong that nothing near it can escape. This is called a black hole. Hot gas falling into a black hole, called Cygnus X1, gives out powerful X-rays picked up by the Chandra satellite. Thank you for watching my video.